The cheeseburger is a classic staple of American cuisine. But how about we give it an Italian twist? For example, we can use mozzarella or provolone cheese to add an Italian touch to the dish. Ingredients: 4 hamburger buns, 4 beef hamburgers of about 150 grams each, 4 slices of mozzarella or provolone, 2 ripe tomatoes sliced, fresh lettuce, 1 sliced onion optional, tomato sauce or ketchup, mustard, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Optional, a few leaves of fresh basil for an even more Italian taste. If you want to slightly toast the buns, cut them in half and toast them on a grill or non-stick pan for 1 minute. Season the hamburgers with salt and pepper and cook them on a grill or a hot non-stick pan, about 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium doneness. Before flipping the burgers, add a slice of mozzarella or provolone on top to let it melt nicely. In the meantime, you can lightly cook the onions in a pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil if you prefer them to be softer and less pungent. Assemble your cheeseburger. Spread some ketchup and mustard on the bottom half of the bun. Then add the lettuce, tomato slices, and if you chose to include them, the fresh basil leaves. Place the burger with the melted cheese on top of the lettuce and tomatoes. Add the cooked or raw onion according to your preference. Add another layer of ketchup and mustard on the top half of the bun before covering it. Your cheeseburger with an Italian twist is ready to be served and enjoyed. Even though the burger is quintessentially American, adding Italian ingredients such as mozzarella, provolone, and basil can bring an interesting contrast of flavors that blend the American culinary tradition with the Italian one. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with delicious recipes and visit our website to learn more.